In 7th grade science, we've been working on a sustainable house. We've gotten done talking about weather and climate, and we brought in carbon tax this year, so we wanted to teach the kids what carbon tax could actually do if it was implemented. We also wanted to show them what it was like for a contractor to build a house and thinking about trying to survive severe weather conditions. We gave them popsicle sticks, cardboard, and glue. And we also did concrete as well. And we said, all right guys, here's your stuff to build a house. We took blowers and see if they could survive high winds. We took sand and dumped on it to simulate heavy snow from a blizzard. We then did storm surge. We took a giant trash can and just dumped it down the steps on them to experience what it'd be like to try to survive a storm surge and a hurricane. The kids had cardboard, which was free, didn't cost any carbon credits, versus the popsicle sticks and concrete. And so the kids had to actually think about, what do I want to use? I've got a certain amount of carbon tax I have, and I've got to figure out what's best to build my house in order for me to survive these tests that I have to go through. It was interesting to see them use the materials, and then the conversation we had afterwards was very enlightening. The kids loved it, and we loved watching them just problem solve and going through it. It was amazing to watch the stuff that they've done.